Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So, here we are. Today, very interesting. We're starting off on the Dixie to start the day. Let's drop to some lower time frames. I'm kind of interested to see if SoFi wants to come take out this 630 level. I'm interested to see if this is going to be some kind of a sweep of liquidity. But I also, actually, hold up. There's low key like a little trend line going here. Or at least there was. Ooh. Hey, Affirm might be go for a short. I'm not 100% sure, but hey, we might be go for like a downside on Affirm. I'm not. This isn't a stock I trade too often, but hey, that might be something right there. SPY is like right there in the middle. All right, Isaac, good morning. Master ERC, good morning. Mom, good morning. Yeah, if y'all haven't already, hey, be sure to smash the like button. Because what better way to start the day than clicking on, hopping on the live stream, and smashing the like button. All right, so we got earnings yesterday from Tesla. We got earnings yesterday from Meta, Microsoft. Honestly, I'm not like when it comes to the moves they made. I'm not like nothing crazy happened yesterday, but I feel like we could see some things over in the coming weeks. Darth Raven or Raven. Good morning. Here, let's see. Yeah, so these are kind of actually Tesla. I don't feel this. The Tesla and the SPY, I don't feel the need to watch this closely right now. I mean, I'll set my alerts, but they don't really look like they're going to do anything right now. Jorman, good morning. Godson, good morning. Yeah, but this Affirm, I don't love the price action, but or like the pre-market movement, but I'm probably gonna go for some. D-Red Terra got 200% on. Hey, nice. Nvidia was kind of. Let's take a quick look at Nvidia. So let's see how this played out. I drew these lines this morning. Really interested to see how Nvidia behaves because it looks like they're kind of like tightening in the range. So yeah, I drew these on Nvidia this morning. Let's see how it holds up. That'll be a good one to look at. Rodney, good morning. Cindy, good morning. Hey, y'all make sure to come through and smash the like button. Let me see what a firm's looking like on a 1 hour real quick. What about a 4? Yeah. What's the? Let me see what their options contracts are going for. They're up in the pre-market. I might be able to get something like right at open. Oh, they're already kind of. Wait. I'm saying different. Hold on. Let's turn that off. No, I'm still seeing different prices. Oh, okay. The bid and the ask spread is kind of wide. That's why. Anthony, good morning. Good morning. Skittles, good morning. Yeah, once again, Happy New Year. All right, firm. Wait, so actually they have earnings next. What? That's the. I guess next week. Next week they have earnings on Thursday. So because they have earnings next Thursday, normally I would go for this. Normally I would go for next week's options, but I guess I'll actually go for today or for tomorrow's options. That's the only reason I'm not going to go for next week with the firm. If should I decide to get in this real fast. Hey, let's get this bread. Yes, 100%. Hey, also let's smash these like buttons. I see we got hey, we had 24 people come through and vote on the poll, but we only got had 15 people come through and smash the like. 25 people voted on the poll. Hey, MSIN 14, like number 14. Okay. Hey, we're numbering the likes like the players in Squid Game. Or maybe not quite like that. Maybe not, it's this is a good thing. You don't want to be numbered like that, but and voted. Hey, your vote counted. Okay, I see we're at got 26 people doing all right to kind of start the morning. Well, we got 22 minutes to start. Hey, let's take a quick look at the day real quick. All right, so 30 minutes into market open. We got pending home sales. So we could see some movement there if you see like more volume coming into the market. If you see, stocks kind of moving a little bit more, that might be a little bit of what's going on. Yeah, to those of you that do not enjoy ASMR, I apologize. All right, so we got like 40 seconds, and then this thing's it's about to be open. Oh, Affirm's already doing it. All right, Affirm is making that move. Let's see where these contracts open up. So I'm going for tomorrow's expiration, just because they have earnings next week and their contracts are going to be pricier. Let's see what we can get in for. Tesla's up overnight. They had earnings release. Wait, I like the early start. Don't feel. Hey, 100%. Hey, if I'm here, I'm here. All right. I'm looking at the options chain for. Oh wait, I'm trying to look for puts for a firm. I'm not like rushing to get in, but I'm also not sure if it's really moving like that. Yeah, it doesn't appear to be a quick mover, but it looks like it should be a good play. Like it doesn't look like it's moving out. Okay, I did just get an alert on AMD. Let's take a quick look at AMD. Which way did they cross? Oh wait, hold on, wrong stop. Okay, so AMD looks like it's going for it. Might go for AMD instead of a firm. Let's see what AMD is doing. AMD might be quick. Here. All right. Oh, hold up. I'm on the sell side. All right, I'm going a little premature. I grabbed a 123 call on AMD. This could be a fake out, but I'm in at 123. Oh, hold up. And what I'm hoping for, oh, not a move like that. Hoping we get some sort of gap fill right there. So let's see if we actually end up doing anything with that. All right, so the call is up. It's bouncing around. 123 call that expires tomorrow. Oh, SoFi. Oh, SoFi did it too. SoFi's another one. Hey, SoFi, I might be able to get something for next week. I might be able to get a swing for SoFi. Let's see. But this could be a fake out. Yeah, I'll go get a 16.5 call on SoFi that expires. Ooh, hold up. That expires next week. Or 16.5. Let's see. All right, SoFi is a little. Actually, they're both oversold. And Affirm, okay. I'm glad we didn't take that Affirm. I'm gonna leave Affirm now alone now. All right, let's see. Casey Bass, good morning, and good morning. Yeah, we got a nice little pop to start the morning. We'll see if this survives because it is oversold, or overbought. AMD's overbought. But yeah, if we can hold on, we did have the Dixie kind of sell off this morning, but it's going back up a little bit. All right, we got AMD moving. Let me share these real quick. Anthony, SoFi calls hitting, good stuff. Let's see how SOFX is moving in comparison to SoFi. All right, so that just gapped up. So that went from, so it's up 5%, SoFi is up 2. Okay, that's about right. Call is up. Hey, good stuff. Bad trend for Nvidia while others are. Yeah, so Nvidia is I drew this morning. I want to see how it holds up. If it holds up, that would mean like this area right here, this little, like while it's around 122, this is a good area to actually, I mean, you don't have the furthest to ride it, but it would be a better area to grab a call from where it currently is. But we kind of need to see where things are going to go. Got into 13.5 and 12.5 calls on Riot at end of day. So the thing about the crypto miners, I guess you're not here for when I normally talk about why I don't like short term on crypto miners, is because they're like so heavily They're so heavily manipulated by the market makers. It's like it. Okay, 13.5, 13.12. Here, let's I mean, that's a big run it would have to take. It could make the run, but my thing is I wouldn't be able to like tell you that's going to happen just because of the way they're manipulated. Like we can kind of try to draw a trend line, not so sure. That's a 4 hour. There's really like no surefire way to say it though. It's holding above the 1 hour 13 EMA. But yeah, when it comes to the crypto miners, I really don't trust my charting on the shorter term. Apple's off to a good start. Let's see. So yeah, Apple has earnings today. Right now, resistance is 240. This also this level down here, if you catch Apple at 233, that actually should be a good level of what is it? Should be a good level, like potential good level for a sweep. Like so, we came over here. It would be a good level for it to kind of come, sweep, and then boom, take out that high, continue and go higher. But honestly, I could see it taking all day to do that. All right, so starting off today, it's looking like AMD and SoFi are kind of they're not there yet. Well, SoFi is still like kind of all right. I think I got till next week on SoFi. AMD, I think I got this week, so I gotta watch those a little closer. Said Microsoft's down. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, we might have some opportunity here. I don't know. I'm not the best at trading Microsoft, but hmm. Here, let's look at it on Microsoft chart. It's ugly, or at least on the weekly. Oh, that's so far down. All right, yeah, AMD's not holding up as of right now. Good morning, my life be like. Nunez, good morning. Keep that in mind about the miners I forced to arrive to give me something. And my question is, what was the rating? Oh, Meta's running. Here, let's see. What's their first candle looking like? From 687 to okay, Meta's doing some things. Their earnings were nice. Definitely had some nice earnings. Cars and crypto. Good morning. Just wonder how you checked into energy transfer. Oh my goodness, good little pop this morning. They appear to have a nice trend on the weekly. Let's see. Nice little trend over here. Let's draw it like that. And then let's go down. I mean, where they are right now, I wouldn't want to do anything today, but they have a nice trend. They seem solid. All right, let's see how Nvidia does at this level. Looks like it's kind of testing, but it may not have been a perfect draw. Let's see how Nvidia does right here. As of right now, short term on the 4-hour, looking at energy transfer, got a nice trend, like Maybe you can draw it like that. Something like that on an energy transfer. But short term, I don't have anything to say about it. All right, we still got 3 minutes on this first 15-minute candle. Dorothy, good morning. M said, so do you have a stop loss? Not yet. Not yet. I'm waiting for this first candle. Like I took a chance on these first two on the candle, and I'm really just trying to see how it holds this first level. Like for this candle. Like right now, if it stays above this, it's like I feel all right. If not, I'm like, okay, probably need to close it out. All right, let's see. Did an NVIDIA call for 138. That's a large target right now. So if we look at NVIDIA, you can see I kind of have it consolidating between this range. Like if we step up to a higher time frame, the range on NVIDIA is tightening. So really, that's not something I would personally consider until we get some kind of like breakout of the levels. Like right now, you'll get wicks and stuff below this line, but I would like to see it like actually break this level or break this level. But honestly, by that point, like a week from now, NVIDIA could be in a completely different place. So it's possible, but I just don't have anything pushing me there. All right, so SoFi looks like it's pushing, but as of right now, it's looking like I'm about to close this AMD out. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. We'll see. AMD might sell. Hey, this last minute trying to it's a battle. It's a battle. Let's see. All right. IBM, let's see. Oh yeah, ooh. Oh wait, that's a 4 hour. Hold up. Let's go to. Oh, they had earnings last night? I didn't even realize that. Okay. Think I do see a little, like if we're on the 15, see something like that. Okay, so yeah, SoFi is making moves. AMD, hey, it looks like it's about to be potentially bye-bye. I mean, I still see this though. Hold on. Let me do some. Actually, on the 10-minute, it held up. Let me look at the 5. Actually, if you look at it on the 5, it's almost like it's using this line as support. So I'm gonna still hold on for AMD for now. See what? Let me go back to a 10. Yeah, well, I'm watching on a 10 for now. All right, let's see. Did Jerome didn't really say much yesterday. Yeah, Jerome didn't say much. Kind of like how I thought. I didn't think there would be too much said. Google took off. Let's see. All right, so Google should be approaching a resistance level that's been getting kind of smacked down from. Yeah, Google keeps approaching like this 203 level, and then it keeps getting batted down. So be interested to see how it kind of responds there. Great pop so far. Yeah, we had some pops this morning. All right, so PCE. I would like to see that go up. The SPY is actually doing all right too. Let me quick check in on the SPY. Oh, it's still like in that range though. A quick little zoom in on Nvidia. Looks like this range is still holding up on Nvidia. So had you like grabbed it anywhere down here, could have rode it back to the middle. For those of you that like to scalp. HDSS, good morning. Hey, thanks for smashing the like button. Appreciate y'all, family. Hey, no problem, cards and crypto. Affirm 4 hours. So I checked Affirm this morning. I almost got in a trade on it. So I was about to trade to the downside, but Affirm looks like it's going. On the 1 hour, I was looking for a sweep, but it didn't play out like that. So yeah, Affirm just looks like it's a breakout. Yeah, that's all I can say. Affirm looks like it's broken out. And like if you go back even further, here, let's see if we can, I don't know, maybe, yeah, I would say that's probably the best kind of trend line you can do. But yeah, Firm looks like it's holding up. Next kind of level. Oh, his range is kind of weird. I wouldn't know where to, like, I would try to draw a fib, but kind of where it is, I would need to look at support and resistance. So from where it's at, the next level I would kind of watch out for would be about like 6220, 6250, somewhere in that range. Here, let me switch it to live chat because I feel like I'm missing some of the messages. Hey, we're doing all right on the SoFi and did I not put where I entered on SoFi? But SoFi and AMD, they're starting to move in the direction. Bought a call on Broadcom, nice. Or I'm assuming it went up, but when might be a good time to get back? I didn't get out, so I don't know, but it's like some sort of pullback. Like you'll see, like maybe if you're really trying, you can see it's kind of riding the 13 EMA on the 2-minute. But ideally, you'd get back in on a pullback. But most of the time, like if I've took an L on a particular stock or whatever, I'm probably done with that for the day at least. All right, it looks like Apple is trying to cross this level. See how Apple holds up there. Nvidia is a good discount now. Yeah, if you're long on it, yeah, it's great little discount. SPY, is it unpredictable today? Help us. So right now, SPY. Oh, hold up. SPY looks like it might be about to break out. So I had I would say there's a good chance SPY makes a move to around 607 at least from here, or around that 607 area. So don't be surprised if we get like a move up. That looks like what we want to do. Tesla also looks like another potential, like it's near a level of kind of support here. Let me go to 1 hour. Tesla to me seems like We had support and resistance. Support's going to be kind of around this, I would say, 394, 393 area. If Tesla could be a good pickup to about this 413 level if it doesn't fall too hard. But yeah, the SPY, it's just everything's just support and resistance until you break a level. So right now, it looks like we might be breaking a level on the SPY. So a bit above here, it could continue to push higher. Because I don't really see any walls or anything up till we get to like, I guess 606.80, 606.90. All right, let's see. Nvidia 2x short ETFs have been doing it. Yeah, SoFi also moving up a little bit. Here it is. A lot of big hitters have earnings. Yes, this is a huge week for earnings. Had a lot yesterday, and then we also Apple's one that has one today. Waste Management today. Oh, Tesla is. Maybe we watch for a bounce here. We'll see. Tesla's like, oh, this is on a 5 minute. I was gonna say Tesla's oversold. Yeah, let's see where Tesla comes. Like, I think this is pretty much a good spot for a reversal on Tesla, but we'll see what it does. Let me check. Oh no, Tesla options are expensive. All right, let's see. Yo, do you have? Yeah, I've traded Forex before, and I have. I trade crypto here and there, but stocks just make the most sense to me. They actually, like when it comes to valuing them, it's actually clear. They actually have like actual value to them. When it comes to crypto and whatnot, it's more like crypto is more what everyone else will pay for it. So, yeah, Meta's doing well. Walmart continues to do well. Oracle. What's going on with Oracle? Oh yeah, Oracle going crazy. Let's see. Participating in a joint venture. Oh, it's Stargate. They like just come out that they are, or like why are they up like this? Because I know we got Stargate news like last week. All right, SPY looks like it's not quite holding that yet. We do, a reminder, we do have data in 5 minutes, so that could potentially either push us up more or slap us back down. So we'll kind of have to see how that goes. Here, let me go back to a 10 on AMD. All right, still doing all right there. What's your thoughts on Shop? Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's see how Shop's doing. Oh, Shop is popping. I probably need to cut that. Cause yeah, it's still like to me it should come down. Like it should come down in here, but right now, wait, how much time do I have on that? I think I have time for a better exit. I think I have till next week, right? Yeah, I have till next week on that. It's not looking so hot right now, but I feel like it should at least come here. Like right now, as long as it stays below this, I guess it stays below 119. It's not much to worry about. But if it decides to like just take off again, yeah, that's gonna be a L. I've seen talks about UPS. Anyone? So UPS is that's a big one to like. That's so I don't like pay attention to them. But UPS like when they announce their earnings, um, that's going to give a lot of information, and that's going to it's going to cause a lot of things to move because that kind of tells a lot about consumer spending habits and whatnot. So a lot of people pay attention and check into that. So Wall Street's really going to be paying attention to UPS to see kind of how they're doing. BBAI up 14%. Penny stock. Uh, let's see what it looks like. Okay, wait, this is 4 hour. Okay, TNXP. It's there. All right, let's see. No problem, Dorothy. Took 358 on SPY calls and got out. How's SPY doing right now? Once again, we got data in 2 minutes. All right, so right now SPY is not holding that level we took up there. Kind of got some candles here. Let's see what we're looking like on the 15 on AMD once more. Okay, now on the 15, AMD is crazy how all these time frames tell different stories. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it 1 more minute, see how this data comes through. I feel like I may be closing out of some things. What's your suggestion to keep gains? Stop loss, like no, don't just get in like this morning I got in. I didn't wait the first 15 minutes. So first off, be patient when you're getting in your trades, and then also like have a stop loss. So ideally, if I were being like ideal with my trades, say I said, okay, I'm gonna take the entry at this trend line right here on NVIDIA. Say the point where they meet. Okay, so that's my entry. Okay, I'm gonna have my stop loss here. Or say if I pay $100 for a contract, say I have a rule where if I come down 20%, I'm out of the trade, so I'll set my stop loss at $80. So it's really just the more you can stick to something, the more it'll kind of work for you. So it's like find something that works for you and kind of stick to that. SPY is just going up. I don't see my setup yet. Yeah, I'm behind on these comments. Hey, Cooper, good morning. Apple, I don't, it's not anything I would want to mess with before earnings. Like maybe on Monday when I miss my chance, because I had called it out, but okay. All right, so looks like I'm taking L on AMD. Where's AMD? Dang, AMD fell hard. All right, so I took an L on AMD. Let's see. So far, it's still kind of here. Let's doing all right. Yo, what are you gonna do? Hey, Mercy, they're gone. They're gone. Like, there's nothing to do with them. So they're just gone. Yeah, Tesla, I can't do anything. Nike can sell those for like 3 cents right now. So yeah, I'll close out of the Nikes. I don't even understand with what happened with Nike this week. Yeah, it's like Nike kind of bought up out of nowhere, or actually not fully out of nowhere, but it's like they had their earnings, they sold off, and I think I got in kind of over here somewhere. They kind of sold off a little bit more, and then they just went up. So I thought they would have like retested kind of this area over here, but they did not. Palantir, yeah, they have. They've kind of consolidated at here, let's see. Oh, hold up, the spy's kind of selling off. Shop on gap fill will drop. Yeah, it just depends on how long it takes. Simon, good morning. Let's see. It looks like SPY rejected. SPY is doing a pullback, doing a put on AMD. Yeah, they could come back and they could come fill that 114.50 level. Hey bro, you ever tried public? Nah, I recently heard about it, but no, I haven't. Nike irritated me. I feel that. I mean, it would have been Nike definitely would have been a lot better if we had calls. I got a 602 put in for that should be doing all right now. Here, let's see how things are going. The Dixie is sold off a little bit. I think calls might still be okay today. But I think we might come down first here. Let's slow things down. I actually don't like the idea of playing the SPY right now. Yeah, let me go to the 1 hour on everything. Slow things down a little bit. I still like I'm chill with SoFi right now. AMD does not look good. But yeah, let me slow things down to the 1 hour, see how we're looking. Nvidia is looking like it might continue to come down some more. Next level to kind of look out for would be this 120 on Nvidia. Here, let's see. Swing's been cooking me. Yeah, I've kind of been getting got a little bit too. Like one that's really getting me right now is like Shopify. Shopify. What else we got? Yeah, that's like a big one for me is Shopify. see. Okay. Just made $159 on the SPY. Nice. Going to sell my Tesla puts. Or let's see Tesla real quick. Yeah, it's back at this trend line. Hey, it'd be nice to see Tesla at 365 again. I'm gonna really slow things down. Oh, Tesla's at the 200 moving average right now, actually, on the 4 hour. Hey, Colin, what's up? What's up, bro? Oh, I guess I'm a little late. What to read from SPY selling? Does it give any indication for the rest? So right now the SPY is in a range. So right now as SPY is between, I would say, I guess about like 606. Here, let me slide that up a little bit. I would say between 606 and actually like maybe like 600. This is like the range on the SPY. I would say there's a lot of support around the 601 level, but I would really say like down to 600. That's going to be like the range on the SPY. But as of right now, we're not really getting anything fully pushing us anywhere. It really looks like I'm not sure if y'all noticed, but these past few days the market has kind of you get your swings in the after hours, and like it'll give you like a move at the beginning of the day, and then it's just kind of been chilling out. Let's see, spy on that nonsense. I'm trying to see if Chinese tech AI. Oh yeah, let's take a look at Baba. Let's see. Oh yeah, they sure are. So it's that time again. That's kind of good to know. So we got Baba. Let's check JD. What else? Probably not Neo. Oh, Neo. We even got a little pop on Neo. Oh, that's not that crazy of a pop. Clocked in. Good morning, C Smooth. Nvidia is, yeah. Nvidia broken stocks are, yeah. Hold up, where's Nvidia? Let's see. All right, so right now I have Nvidia kind of like consolidating in this range, but it looks like they may break to the downside. I would say the next level of interest to buy upside. Actually, they already kind of swept, because over here, this was the level of interest. We caught the sweep. I actually think rode some of this sweep. I think I probably rode it up to in this range, and then they went higher, and then they actually went higher in the pre-market. But I was happy I sold out here because they ended up selling off. I'm thinking about getting a put in NVIDIA, like total tariffs. Yeah, NVIDIA, it's volatile. All right, it's looking like Tesla. No, I'm gonna leave Tesla alone. Yeah, I'm not really loving anything. I'm a hope that this SoFi can keep up, but at the moment, here, let me check the data again. Advanced GDP. Let's check earnings real quick. Let me check this earnings calendar. See if there's anything that we can find that might benefit from something. Let's see. Okay, let's slide this over. And what's today? We got Apple after hours, Visa after hours. No, we had Caterpillar, UPS. Okay. Oh, Bitcoin pumping up more? Hey, let's see. Our meta's yeah, Bitcoin's pumping up. Let's see. Let's get all the miners together. Alright, so we got Riot down here. Hey, it might go for it. Where is iBit's up 2%. We got let's slide those together. Clean Spark coin. Dang. I was just looking at Coinbase the other day when it was at 2.6. Wait, why did I not play that? Why do I have this level here? I don't know what this is. I got this line here, but I saw it around 260 the other day. I was like wondering why I didn't get in on it. I'm in SPY puts. Yeah, I got all that SPY here. All right, let's see where things are pushing us. Okay, so right now, taking a look at the PCE. Oh man, it's not like crazy high or anything. We're kind of chilling. The VIX is low. The dollar, here. We're kind of like selling off on the dollar. This is something that would like typically push us up. XRP on the climb too. Here, let's see. Honestly, I would say like here, let me show y'all something. So this is called the correlation coefficient. And this is kind of something you can use to look at how lined up with Bitcoin something is. So, or with anything. So I'm gonna come over correlation coefficient. I'm gonna make it Bitcoin. And now whichever chart it's on, the closer to one this is, the more lined up with Bitcoin it is. Here, let me try to slide that above higher or make that bigger. So on the 4-hour chart, as of right now, it looks like XRP is like on the 4-hour chart at the moment lined up about 75% of the way. On the daily chart, a little bit closer up there at 88. Weekly chart, 92. So I would say, yeah, it's decently correlated. Now, this is something that I would do to kind of figure out which, which crypto miner would probably be the best to play. Usually the further their correlation coefficient is off, the more manipulated they are. And usually once it gets like really low, it might be a good idea to get that one if Bitcoin's going up. So looking at Riot, the correlation coefficient is like 0.47. Let's see, Clean Spark, 0.59. So right now, since Riot's lower, that shows me that there is probably more percentage wise to gain from Riot than Clean Spark. Coinbase, it's up there. It's like 0.79. What else we got on here? Sometimes there'll be certain stocks that'll be very closely. Here, let's see. IBIT. Yeah, IBIT's like up there. That's not really too manipulated. That's actually an ETF. Yeah, so here, let's take that down. Yeah, still moving down on the Dixie, so I would expect more upside. Them likes looking real good. Oh yeah, I love the. Hey, above 50%, we're looking good. Looking good. All right, let's see. Do another check-in on Meta. Yeah, I'm gonna go for something on Tesla. It's not gonna be $100 play though. It's actually might not be something that can be followed. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna go out to next week. Let's see. Actually, I might just go for tomorrow. This might be a quick day trade. Selling off some for profit. Any options you see worth holding for a week or less? Think a SPY about to go up on the 5 minute. Here, let's look on the SPY. Yeah, there's a good amount of support at this level. Here, let's go to 10. Kind of like a little trend right here. A little bit. Let's go to a 15. Let's look at a 30. Yeah. Still see that same trend. A little bit. Maybe that's not the best spot to draw it from. It's like if you draw it right here, aside from these kind of fake outs over here, it's holding up. One, two, three. Premiums are higher than they normally are for me. When you set your your trade for the day or the week, do you have to wait to take profit, or If you're not limited in any fashion with day trades, you can take profit whenever you see it. Oh, what's SoFi doing now? We need SoFi to stay up. All right, let's see. All right, this isn't a regular. This isn't $100 play, but I just grabbed like a little Tesla call. It's a 410 call. Oh, it's kind of moving. I grabbed a 410 call that expires tomorrow. It's already up 20%. Yeah, it's kind of moving right now. I'm about to set a stop loss on it. So it's probably not a good one to follow, but I'm going to set a stop loss. And then, but I could see it moving up some more. Where is it? Wait, what did I buy it for? I paid $229 for that contract, by the way. All right, let's see. How do you know if you are limited? If you have a margin account, you're going to be limited. Like, so if you go to your account and click on, like, here, let me see. If you go to your account and did I? Oh, I think I already. Oh, I think I already got stopped out of that Tesla. Maybe. Oh well. So, how do you know if you're limited? So yeah, when it comes to let's see, if you hit the little click on the person icon in the bottom right, and then you click on the three little lines in the top left, and then click on investing and scroll down until you look at where it says account type. If it's margin, you have 3-day trades you can make in a like in that kind of in the span of a 5-day trading period. If your account's below 25K. Is MarketWatch the best site to keep up with news and know? That's a good question. I look at like TradingView. I look at CNBC. A lot of stuff, like sometimes like when you look at the news on CNBC's, some of it will be from MarketWatch. Here, let's see. Oh, hold up. Yeah, let's click on that real quick. Yeah, it's like you kind of see like a little bit of like all these sources. So Market Watch is like here, so it's like all oftentimes use Trading View. You ever buy or look at TSLO? Sometimes, like whenever I'm like really like I'm like, yo, Tesla is going to move. Yeah, I'll get in. Yo, SoFi, what's up? Yeah, I might have got played on SoFi. I'll have to see how this candle closes on the 4 hour, but yeah, might have got played. Some things SoFi has some things going for it though. Let's see. Like I got till next Friday on those. I'm not sure how I feel about that if I'm being honest. But SoFi, there is like a little uptrend going. We'll see if we can like hold it. Let me just draw that, or create an alert there. I totally got played on SoFi. I got till tomorrow. Oh, yeah. I'm like usually, like I'm not the most like SoFi is weird. I'm gonna just say that SoFi is weird. Um, but like part of my thing with SoFi is we got this break of this trend line, so I already had noticed that this morning, so I was leaning towards it a little bit, or I had my eye on it. One thing I'm noticing is this is a 13 EMA. If it, it's still above it right now, but if it has trouble like holding above that, that could be an issue. Another thing, like maybe my thought was, oh, maybe we come up here, form some kind of triple top, test this $18 level again. Yeah, I got a call for it. Same here, same here. We'll see if that plays out though. All right, so the SPY is kind of appearing to break or pull back on this trend line. So yeah, SPY looks like it's coming down right now. Nvidia is back below 120 actually here. Let's go back to Nvidia. All right, so it's back in this, I believe this is a weekly demand zone, but now on the weekly demand zone, we already have kind of popped back up to 130. So now we can kind of continue coming down. Like it's fair game. So like we already came and swept, so these levels are taken out. So now like it's not out of the question for it to come and make a new low and drag things lower. So yeah, there might be some money in Nvidia to the downside. Kind of looking at things here. Let's see, what's this, a 4 hour? So we came here, we made our first high. Yeah, so actually ideally we would at least come take out this well, yeah, there might be, I'll probably, let's see, if it's not too expensive, I'll try to take one more. Dang, it's raining hard. Yeah, we got some premium to them. All right, let's see if we can. All right, so I would grab one closer, but I also need to use other money in my account to invest. So let's see if I can get filled. Nah, price keeps going up. I'm looking at a put on Nvidia that expires tomorrow, but they're trying to keep pushing it. Oh, I got filled. So I got a 112 put, and I paid 64 for it, but it expires tomorrow. So ideally, this is quick. I'm gonna try to watch this trend line right here. See if this will hold up. Nvidia may be going for 116. Hey, 113 would be even nicer. But yeah, it looks like Nvidia is going to bring things down. Not very experienced on puts. Do you have to own stocks to? No. So just like whenever you buy, if you're buying it, you don't have to own it, or you don't have to own anything. If you sell a put, you have to have the balance to buy 100 shares. If you're going to exercise a put, yeah, you have to own 100 shares. But no, you can just buy it and sell the contract. You're not required to actually do anything with the shares. I kind of feel like I got in at a bad price. You said yes. 113 would be excellent. Yeah, honestly, it would have been nice. It probably would have been better to get in around here. Let me reevaluate this trend line I just drew. Here, let's look at it on a 15, and let's go a little more like move that a little more like that, maybe. There we go. Still don't seem right. There we kind of. What's this look like on the 15? Here, let's just, there we go. I'm in this put with you. All right, so hopefully we get some good momentum. Honestly, like looking at it hindsight, it wasn't the best, but here, let's check the volume. Hopefully we can continue to get selling volume, continue to push lows. It'll be cool. You said Nike went up. So yeah, I closed out of that earlier on stream, not for much. It was for like $3 per contract, but I closed out of that because Nike is yeah, that's done. So is that the Tesla call I had yesterday. All right, so now we're getting a little pop. I wish I hadn't got stopped out of that Tesla call I had today. That would have been some money. I mean, I made some money, but that would be some really good money. Some people saying 100 for Nvidia. I mean, it's very well possible. I think here let's. So we are at one kind of zone right now. Wait. It's a little weird, like this kind of price action right here. Let's see. What kind of candle is this? That's black. We're kind of buying up again. Hold up. Came down, came up. Still coming down. Kava went up again. Yeah, I had my kava yesterday. Can't have it 2 days in a row, but let's see. Dang. Okay. Here, let's see. Why did I draw that line? Was that resistance or something? Okay, 4 hour. I think I may have been looking at something on the 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, so Kava's just moving. Hold on, let me see how Shopify is doing. Let's go to a 4 hour. I mean, it's still not pushing new highs, but I feel I feel like we're gonna get a lot of movement on the market tomorrow. Maybe 85 to 88 on Nvidia. I mean, honestly, yeah, because looking at it on a weekly, got 113. Now I'm looking at this like one. Yeah, this was like 100. Then we got like yeah, this is the next clear like demand zone down here from on the weekly. This 90 to about $75. Okay, SoFi is looking a little better, a little bit. Hold up. Yeah, there's a lot going on. I think this is usually why I stay away from things during earnings. But the firm. Honestly, a firm actually might still be the short I was looking for. I don't know. That could still play out looking at a 4 hour. We'll kind of have to wait and see. You said nice on the Kava. I am 1,500 miles. That's crazy. I got like, I mean, they're not like right beside me, but I have 3 within like 10 miles of me. Like the one I went to yesterday was like 7 mile drive. Some Asian guy, no shot. Nvidia could go that up. No. Some Asian guy, give it some time. Give it some time. I'll say there's a very good chance within the next couple years that we revisit that point for Nvidia. Nvidia is a very cyclical company, so when it comes to here, hold on 1 second. So after like whenever their cycles are kind of chilled out, that's not something that's out of the ordinary. They kind of chill out, then they go crazy. Here, let's get Shopify back up here. Yeah, I might have to close out my shop. We'll see. Like hopefully it doesn't break 119, but they're really trying to like push it up here. See how they look on the 1 hour. Yeah, that's not like a crazy amount of strength, but they're really trying to, yeah, they're trying to shake me out right now. I feel like tomorrow might be a good day to do some things. Lowest I think Nvidia will go is 110. We'll see. We'll see. It's like short term. I'm not going to put any limits to the downside or to the upside because I know anything could happen. All it takes is some news. Hey, you could get Nancy Pelosi buy-in and whatnot. I think it does say something that Nancy Pelosi like sold her shares though. It's like we could think, oh, she, we did see that big drop on Nvidia, but maybe she saw something a lot bigger. Because sometimes they're like, oh, Nancy Pelosi, she bought in, and it's like, oh, there's that move she saw, a 20% move, and then it's like you'll watch it, and you'll continue to watch it, and it's like, oh no, it wasn't a 20% move. That ended up moving like 120% move. So it's like, yo, you never know. Actually, hold up. I hear I can't say her name or I might get demonetized. So hey yo, pray for the stream. Pray for the stream. But yeah, I could see Nvidia moving lower. Nvidia may not have been the best. Yeah. My thing is I wanted to. My thing is I want to see if I can ride it to about 116 today. I think that is something that could happen. So yeah, if we can get to here, let's zoom out some more. Here, let me set an alert kind of in this area. If it can get here at a decent pace, like if it can do it like before the end of the day, I think there can be a little money there. I wasn't trying to make anything big. I just wanted to have a little fun with some options. Oh, she rebought? Oh, okay. Forgot about I think I missed the fact that she rebought. But yeah, she probably like waited a little bit to rebuy. She probably let it drop and then, okay, well, I guess forget about what I said. Hey, for her, buying the calls, that's pretty much the same thing. Because she has the money to execute all of those options. So it's like if she can truly leverage it like that, she could end up having enough shares to be on the board. Kind of, yeah. By the time we know what she did, it is old news. But also, like, riding her coattail, there's still plenty of money to be had. I want to share something with y'all. I don't know what story I saw, like what page it was. Here, let me see if I can find it real quick. And if I can find it, I'll share it with. Dang, hold up. Yo, I got some DMs. Let's see. Oh, I was about to show y'all something. Every time I get on Instagram, like this is why social media is bad. Like you just get distracted. I was actually going on a mission. All right, let's see. See if I can find what I was looking for. Oh, here it is. It might expire before I can show it to y'all, but let's see. All right, I'm gonna try to show it to y'all real quick. Let's see. All right, here let me show y'all real quick. So I saw this yesterday. In 2014, you started to buy, with $1,000. You start to buy the same stocks as Nancy Pelosi versus the S&P. All right. Here, let's I don't know if we can run that back. Oh, hold up. Guess not. Hold up. Slide that over. Put that back in here. All right, let's. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? See if we can. Yeah, slide that in there. Okay, let's go. All right, so right here, look at the S&P. That's the S&P. You got Nancy moving. You got Nancy moving. You got the S&P. You got Nancy moving. You got the S&P. Yo, tell me that's not crazy though. Yeah, it's like if you need one investing strategy. Hey, ooh, wow. Y'all see that? What point? That's 2019. I started investing over here. That's wild. You got the S&P. You got Nancy P. Bro, this is insane. Yeah, so hey, that's how it is. That's how it is. All right, okay. SoFi still kind of chilling, but okay. Looks like I'm about to get stopped. Looks like I'm about to get knocked out on Shopify. I really feel like I'm about to get knocked out, but dang. Hey. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out of this Shopify, but I feel like as soon as I close out, it's gonna reverse. Where's Shopify? Okay. Good. Wait, where we go? Yes, money to be had on leaps for sure. Good morning, everyone. Nancy, other Republican that does well in the market, they have ETFs. That's wild. What's the, oh, okay, let's see. Oh, Shopify didn't, okay. Hey, we're still in on the Shopify. Okay. Oh, Nancy. Okay, I was like, oh, hold up. So they opened the. All right, so this ETF, let's say, okay, so it opens February 23rd or February 2023. Let's see how it's doing percentage wise. So where it's at currently, it's up 64%. Let's see if we can get like a read on the SPY over that same time period. Was it? I said February 2023. All right, so right over here. Yeah, right over here. I mean, it's not like percentage wise, this ETF is I mean, Nancy is like she's beating it, but percentage wise, the ETFs, it's nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Let's see. But we all find out the old news at the same time, honestly. So, where are we to find information on stocks? Check market. I don't know. I feel like every time she releases it, it's just news. So it's like I hear about it like everywhere. I hear like all the like stock YouTubers, all the like the meme pages, like what I just showed you. they all like they all make the same kind of like post talking about this stuff. I'll see y'all talk about it in the chat, but it's like, yo, everybody will kind of talk about it at the same time. All right, so Nvidia's moving down some more. Hey, let me pull Shopify back up here. Okay, but good to know, Nancy. If I ever see Nancy down, hey, it might be a move to see what's up. Okay, hey, they try to get me with the Shopify. We're still in on the Shopify. Okay, I'm here for it. All right, so we're getting a little bit of a move on Nvidia. See how that's actually doing. All right, they were definitely able to lower the premiums on those up. There are websites that publish what politicians buy. I saw this. Yeah, honestly, I was just looking to. Yeah, let's see. Here, actually, let me search this on a different tab real quick. Oh, there we go. So yeah, I like search politician, stock tracker. All these come up. So yeah, I would say if you do something similar, you might find something. All right, so looks like we're coming down some more. They don't ever want to move us in a straight line. Can't ever make it easy. You always gotta play with some emotions and feelings. Hey, on a 15-minute, Nvidia is looking good on the downside. AA Cooper, I have a list. Is that a website or is it okay, Skittles Capital Trades? Is that like the certified website? All right. I think we should be up on an Nvidia now. No, it's still not moving. We'll see if we can pick up steam here. SPY is going to test I think this is the low for the day on the SPY. Yeah. Going to test the low day for SPY. Yeah, going on to make new lows. If Shopify can do the same thing, hey, we'll be on to something. Let me look at the Greeks on the contract I got. Oh, those Greeks are terrible. Oh, dang, Meta's kind of coming down too. Let's see. Oh, no, not Shopify. Yeah, we're coming down to, so I said support on the SPY right now. It's either like 601 down to like around 600. We'll see if we come and test the lower support. Is it just me or does anybody else lips? I honestly, I can't say. Does anybody else's lips eat or itch after they eat grapefruit? It's like usually if I have grapefruit, it's usually like, I don't know, I think in juice form. Hey, but that's a real question right there. I don't think I've ever had a grapefruit. You said any citrus fruits? Hmm. I think it's been a minute since it's like I have like a lot of citrus flavoring and things, but I don't think I just straight up say like, oh yeah, let me just have this citrus fruit right here, like lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruits. Yeah, it's definitely been some time, and out here right now, it's definitely not the season at the moment. You can't eat grapefruit. I know grapefruit can be like grapefruit is good for you, but it can be bad for a lot of people because like if you know in America like everybody's on medications and grapefruit absorb like it's very it like absorbs everything. It helps your body absorb things. So if you're I don't know eating certain things or like taking certain vitamins and stuff, it may cause you to absorb too much of certain things and that could be bad for you. So yeah, if you're taking any medications or anything, Acon this morning it's running up. Didn't suggest to y'all. Yeah, let's see what Acon's doing. Yeesh. Okay. All right. The RS. All right. So you wait. Hold up. You said you bought it at 7. Yeah. So you pretty much took it from RSI at 30 to RSI to. You took it from overbought or oversold to overbought. Yeah. I mean, hey, good win. Oh, hold up. There's a software update available for my Tesla. Wife has eczema. She can't have a lot of citrus. Interesting. All right, let's see what this Tesla software update is. Something with the Apple Watch. Uh, Precipitation weather map. Rear cross traffic. Okay. Light show update. Got some games. Seat controls. Oh, I'm gonna initiate this software update. All right, I'm just okay. So it looks like things are coming down. I'm just hoping SoFi can hold up at this trend line. It low key does need to fill in this gap down to 16, but I'm hoping it can hold up for now. Yeah, I'm gonna pull a shot back up here. Akon hurt my heart, man. I saw this morning. I saw Akon this morning, but it was doing a stock split and never thought. Hmm. Hey, sometimes you take a chance, you get rewarded. Other times, hey, you just have to sit there and watch it go by. All right, so Nvidia, honestly, it's moving well. Nvidia is moving the way it should. Just not the best contract, honestly. SoFi is looking like it's about to stop me out. All right, back to break even on that Nvidia put. Hopefully Apple pushes us back up after earnings. Oh yeah, if it wants to wait till after Apple earnings, that's 100% fine. Here, let's actually do kind of like a Apple earnings kind of I don't know. Let's do like a little outlook on Apple earnings. Let's see. All right, so here let's start on the weekly chart. Or actually, here let's see where we are right now. Let's look at the expected move. Okay, so right now we're trading at just about 378. Hey, we're up on those Nvidia puts now. So anybody looking to take profits, hey, that's there. So Apple. So it looks like calls are pricing in I guess a $6 move to the upside. So here, if we were break even on Apple contracts or like the closest to the money, or actually closest to the money, right there. It's in the money, but yeah, the ones that are closest. So it's about a $4 move or so, $4.50 move. See to the downside. To the downside, Apple. All right. So yeah, this is the range we're looking at on Apple. Pretty much anywhere in here, money is not made. Let's see. It's like once you get outside of this range, you start to make money. But right now, looking at it, you're looking at like a 2% move. If you get more than a 2% move to the upside, you might see some gains. And looks like a 2.5 or 2.25 move to the downside. Let's see. Do you use Bollinger Bands? I know how to, but no, I don't. Is if it's near the bottom on the 5, but the middle on the 15, which do you honor? Honestly, that depends on how you have them set up. Cause here, let me see. Yeah, honestly, it depends on how you have your Bollinger Bands set up. So here, let's see, Bollinger Band strategy. What is? Oh, it's not even on there yet. Let me take that down. See if it'll like load up. Yeah, we'll see if that loads up in there. Hey, Spot might be getting ready to go. No, it might be a fake out here. Let me go to a 1 hour on the Spy real quick. I feel like it might be a fake out. It looks like there's liquidity here, and it looks like we may be sweeping. I just don't know what time frame it. I don't like this Bollinger Band strategy thing. Looking at a 610 call on SPY for February 28th. Hey, that could pay. You give it time. Go down. I hope I'm in a put SPY. I mean, it's trending down, but this actually is when you look at it on a 15 minute, this is a 15-minute level of demand zone. But 15 minutes not necessarily as strong, so it could keep coming down. I'm looking to jump in a 603 call. SPY put sold for 93%. Think it's going to reverse. Hey, let's see. Let's see if we get the change of character on the lower time frame. So right here, we're on the 2-minute. We're putting in. So we've been continuously putting in lower lows and lower highs. All right, so we put in a low over here. We're putting in another high. Let's see if we can get another low real quick. Or a high, let's see if we can get a higher low. And that would be kind of the first thing we want to see if we're putting it, going to reverse. Demand mean, oh, demand, so demand means, so if you think of supply and demand, whenever there's a lot of demand, that pushes the price for things up. So in a demand zone, here, let's see. When there's demand for a product, the price goes up. Now, say there is, say it comes to a level to the upside where there are a lot of sellers, that would be a supply zone. So say we have a supply zone here. Whenever you have whenever you have a lot of supply or more supply than you need, usually that pushes the price of things down. So that's kind of the concept of supply and demand. They're just areas where there are a lot of buyers or sellers there. All right, so Nvidia's still continuing to push and make new lows. So the SPY looks like it just put in a lower high. Let's see if we get a same low or a higher low. Yeah, supply, very, very similar to looking for sellers. Yeah, it's like we have some divergence in the market right now, though. So I think tomorrow is going to be like, just looking at what I see. Tomorrow should be a kind of wild day from what it's looking like. And we don't really have the, like, we're coming down right now, but we don't really have the puts ticking up. Microsoft is, my goodness. Here, quick check-in on Microsoft. Where is it? What's this, a 15-minute? Yeah, Microsoft is looking nasty. And they're approaching oversold territory on the 4-hour. Yeah, Microsoft looking nasty. Let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia is approaching it too. Meta's like overbought. Let's see. SS with me, how I remember. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's one way to do it. Yeah, supply and demand. That's money right there. Yeah, not so sure about tomorrow. Thinking about doing a straddle. Into the end of the day, could be something. Could possibly. Microsoft appeared on Derived Screener. Honestly, hey, that could be a move. That could be a move. Yeah, cause it's like yo, it's almost oversold on the 4 hour. All right, so we got our little double top over here. It's like I'm just not good with Microsoft, but yeah, this 410 kind of area does serve to be like a like decent support. But yeah, it's like yeah, that's something that could play out. Could definitely play out. Oh, I forgot about SoFi. How we doing? Okay, we're still doing all right with this trend line, but it's not necessarily holding above 630. SPY is and we put in a lower high. Let's see if we get a let's see if we get a same low, equal low, or same low, higher low. See what we get. All right, SPY looks like it wants to go make a lower low. Looks like it looks like SPY's coming down some more. Yeah, we got a lower low. We're still in the downtrend. Not time for a reversal yet. Yeah, bring it on down. Bring it on down. Let's go. Pull Shopify back up over here. I need Shopify to move like the SPY or something. Here, let's do another check in on these Nvidia puts. Still at break even. It's like I needed to fall faster. Huh? Oh, hold on. Let's take a look at snow. It had a good pullback. This is one I want to kind of get a hand on too. Currently like trending up. They bought up real good from this touch over here. Ran and went over sold. Are you going to keep that put until tomorrow? I plan on getting out today. That is the plan. Honestly, if we could come here, I'll probably that put. I think that put's a bad put. If I'm being real, Josh. I just grabbed it because like I wanted to grab one closer to the money. If I grabbed one closer to the money, and we'd be up decently on it right now. But I didn't want to use all my funds because I want to like buy some shares, or I have like some recurring investments going to happen. So I didn't want to like use the money for that. But yeah, the actual strike I got on Nvidia is kind of bad. Like the Greeks on that are terrible. I'm just trying to see what happens with it. Hey, appreciate it, Lucky J. I'm not sure if I dropped any in today. Let's see. Let's see. Hey, Lucky J, the GOAT. Tesla's still in the green today, though. It's up more than Meta is today. That's kind of wild. Nike's up. Firm. Hey, one more look at Affirm. Affirm might it might be going on the wrong chart. Affirm might be making that move that I saw. Let's see. Let's go back. No, I think they have earnings tomorrow, right? Oh no, they have earnings next week. Yeah, because they ran up and honestly, they're kind of similar to SoFi a little bit. I mean, not the same, but they're in a similar kind of situation. Oh, we got the Dixie kind of coming back up too. That's a game to push some things down. All right, so on the SPY, like we did come lower, but it's almost like we got an equal low. Let's see what that looks like on a 15-minute. Oh, hold up. See what that looks like on a 15-minute. All right, so we just filled in that fair value gap right there. There's actually another one up to like 602 as well. Yeah, that's looking like liquidity on the 10-minute. Let's see where this candle closes. Yeah, we could push up. Might have a reversal on our hands. On the 2-minute, this one closes higher. Yeah, might come up to at least make a move to at least like 603 or so. If we get a higher close right here. It's looking like we're trying for it. Still got about a minute and a half though. SPY coming for my stop loss. Are you in puts? Yeah, if you're in puts, they might come for your stop loss. Yo, this is a very. I mean, we have stocks moving, but it's just a weird day to me. Microsoft. Oh wait, hold up. Pull up Microsoft over here again. Yeah, the SPY looks like it's about to do it. All right, so we got our higher high. We got our change of character. So yeah, SPY is probably making its way I could see it going to at least retest this trend line up here. Let's see it on the 5. It's around like 350. But that's on a lower time frame, so. But yeah, I could see it making a run. Short little run. Hey, good. Honestly, good for you, Darren. This it does not seem like the day to do anything. It's like I want to just see a good setup. I haven't seen like just straight money. I saw Apple on Monday, but then I didn't take it. Which is kind of annoying. Got me should have took higher profits. Think I'm about to nurse my wounds and close up. I'm in SoFi. All right, so I'm watching. Just a heads up on SoFi. I'm watching this trend line on the 4-hour. It's for next week. I'm gonna let you know my confidence is not the highest for this. Oh, and anybody who saw that video about me selling calls on SoFi or selling puts on SoFi, I'll probably buy the put back. If SoFi comes up to this $18 level, I'll probably buy it back. And I'll probably just collect some premium. I might turn around and maybe I'll buy a put. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll probably like close out to maybe get a video out of it, and then also try to get a better entry or something. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you for that video. I was wondering how to sell puts. Hey, good stuff. Yeah, need to get back to the videos and whatnot. I feel like it's been a minute since I made a video. It's like sometimes I come to these I like to do these I don't know, I like to do my little videos in the morning, or I used to, like now when I'm doing these streams. I feel like these streams kind of take away from me actually making videos, but now it's like, oh yeah, it takes a lot more intention to get them made. Set my stop loss at 17. When you say stop loss, is that like $17? Or I'm confused. Let me see. I don't even know what I need to learn how to chart for more swing setups. Because I'm in the funk with day trades right now. Hey, I legit have a video for you. Here, let's see.
Look, I'm gonna make.
Yo, this video right here. Let me drop this in the comments. Hey, I got the video. That video right there. Hey, just should be exactly what you're looking for. That video, hey. Low-key, I don't remember it exactly, but I know it is just for this exact situation. I remember what I was thinking when I made it. I remember being happy with it. I think I'll talk about how to chart and everything. Let me quickly. Oh yeah, I'm definitely talking about charts. Talk about market structure. Oh yeah, I talk about supply and demand, trend lines, support and resistance, the actual swing trading part. It looks like I show like 2 setups. Oh, and it's all in 16 minutes. I feel like that video is underrated. I think that's very underrated actually. But yeah, that's on there. That should be a banger right there. I'm not one to like talk myself up, but hey, I think that one is I don't think it's a bad one. We'll watch right away. Getting FOMO on spot. I would try not to. So honestly, today everything for me like pre-market, I had these levels charted out on the spy. Like if you watch the morning watch list, I don't think I had. I think I had it like right here, but it didn't like fully close above it anyway. I had these levels charted out on the spy, and like honestly, this is support and resistance. Um, I guess we're just not ready to really move on yet. Tomorrow, looking ahead real quick, we do have some bigger news tomorrow. So actually thinking about when y'all were talking about maybe getting a straddle, we do have a larger move, or we have some larger data coming in tomorrow, an hour before market open. We're not going to be able to trade it. So pre-market, there is the PCE and or employment cost index. PCE is going to be like the Fed's favorite inflation gauge. So yeah, if that ends up doing well, hey, then we will be up. If it ends up going looking bad, we'll be down. So we'll see. Honestly, it won't surprise me if the move for tomorrow is made before we can even do anything about it. I'm going. I meant when SoFi gets to 17, I get out, but I'm in the call. So if it breaks, okay, I got you. I got you. Right now, I would say like me on SoFi, like there looks like a gap fill to like 1605. So maybe at like 16 would be my stop loss to the downside for this. But honestly, I would like to see SoFi up at 18. Like I would like to ride up there, but if it doesn't really move anywhere, I'm just gonna take profits when I see it. I'm gonna watch that video getting back into day trading, Low key, I probably need to watch that video again too. I feel like it's like I have these periods where it's like I don't get in a funk. I feel like it's like the market will be weird, then I'll get in a funk, and then like the market will kind of normalize, and then like I'm still in that funk, and I need to like I don't know get out of it. All right, Nvidia looks like it's trying to go and break now. Yeah, that Nvidia was a bad trade. What platforms have the ability to trade after hours or pre-market? So whenever it comes to trading after hours or pre-market, you're not going to be able to do that with the options. But I would say the majority of them, like Robinhood, you can do that. Moomoo, you can do that. I think all the ones I use, interactive brokers, you can do that. So like whenever I'm just dealing with shares, I use all those for that. Yeah, but you're not going to be able to do that with the options though. That's the only thing you need to know. So that's when those leverage ETFs like the TSLL things like that. That's when those come into play. Whenever you're in situations where you can't necessarily trade options, but you can buy the shares. That gives you the ability to kind of go in, do a little bit more. Some platforms have limited stocks on each. Yeah, they're going to be. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see everything on all the platforms. I'm not. I know Robinhood used to be more limited. Now it is getting more. So really, just kind of depends. I know like On Robinhood, I'm not going to be able to see something like the Dixie though. Let's see. Unless they update it. Let me check. They've been updating a lot. Nah, I still don't see the Dixie on Robinhood. So really just kind of depends on what you're trying to look at. Like I know they have indexes and stuff that you can look at on Robinhood now. Or some of them are. Oh, you said for 24/7 trading? Hmm. So I'm not sure if Moomoo has the 24/7. Robinhood has the 24/7 now, or the 24 hours. I'm not sure about the 7 because the stocks aren't on the 7, but the crypto, you got the 7 on crypto. But yeah, Robinhood you have 24 hours. Yeah, there are going to be certain stocks that you can do it on, and then others that you can't. Usually, it's like the ones that are like highlighted in the after hours. Those are going to be the ones that you can do. It's going to be most of the popular ones. If you're trying to trade like a little penny stock, you're not going to be able to do it. But if you're trading like what is it? But if you're trading like a Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, anything with a big name, you're going to be able to do it. I'm new to trading. I'm scalp trading right now and doing pretty well, but as you know, it's risky. Looking to learn more about swing trading as well. Do you have any? Here, here, I'm going to recopy.
Look,
Hold up.
I'm going to make
Stop that. I'm going to repost the link for this video. This video is my advice. That's like a full-on strategy.
Look, I'm going to make this
full-on strategy on how to like swing trade. Yeah, that's my advice. That's full on. I really went over everything in that video. That's like that is a solid video in my opinion. Yeah, I don't think I have anything to say beyond that. All right. Hey, no problem, Trey. Thought I hit the rewind button. School him in the minors. Definitely hit the rewind button if you're on the talking about the minor. AMD faking the funk. Let's see. Dang. Yeah, AMD broke that little trend. Here, let's look at that compared to Nvidia. Where is it? Let's see. Oh, that's a 5 minute. Let's go to a 5. Yeah, I want to see Nvidia move down like AMD. Oh no, never mind. No, I don't. AMD is in the green on the day. All right, y'all. I think that's gonna do it for the day. So we got Euro close. I'm not really seeing much of anything leading me to kind of lean anyway. All right, so yeah, as we're leaving, yes, do not forget to leave a like on the way out. Yeah, we like to come through, pay our like tax on the way out. To those of you that are unaware of what the like button looks like, if you can see the screen, it looks like this. Might be a different color, might be a different hue, but you know, if you click on it, tap it, boop it, whatever, it'll change the color, and you'll see the number go up. So yeah, if you I wait, hold up. That's what I said for the video. Hey, peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Skittles. Thank you. We appreciate you, cause you appreciate. Oh yeah, 100% appreciate each and every one of y'all. But some Asian guy, peace. Appreciate each and every one of y'all stopping by, hanging out with me today. Actually, while I'm right, no, I'm not going to do this directly right here. I'm going to, once again, with this NVIDIA, I will be out of this by the end of the day. If they break this trend line, I'm going to be out of that. I'm going to cut out when it does that too. But yeah, as of right now, I will for sure be out of this NVIDIA by the end of the day. Oh no, oh wait. Oh, I cut out those MC cents just for the record. Josh, hey, peace out. Peace out, Rhonda. Peace out, Derek. Peace out, Godson. Peace out, Cindy. Peace out, Caribbean Minds. Oh, dog wife. Dog with? Peace in. This is a trading view. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the day, family. Hope each and every one of y'all have a blessed day. Yeah, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out. See you, Yoko.